Well, my name is Johnathon Hines. I am Georgia's Pre-K Teacher of the Year. Well, since germs in my classroom are a never-ending battle, the more healthy habits I can get students on board with, the better, especially in pre-K. So I partner with Lysol in their Here for Healthy School initiative, which is all about helping to curb the spread of germs in classrooms nationwide. To celebrate the program's 5th year, the brand will be providing educators with welcome backpack full of free educational resources like stickers, posters, and more. Also, we created this super fun healthy habit poster for educators to hang in their classroom, reminding kids how to keep germs from going viral. It shows hotspots where germs are likely to hang out in the classroom and school ground. I am big on teaching basic hand washing skills. So in my classroom, we wash for about 20 seconds with soap and water. And that's the length of the happy birthday song. So I encourage my students to sing, but we always wash before snack and lunchtime. I also recommend teachers to use the Lysol disinfectant wipes and the Lysol disinfectant spray in their classroom, which is a secret weapon inside of my classroom for disinfecting the learning environment and a must-have on the back-to-school list. Lysol disinfectant wipes can be used to clean so many hard surfaces around the classroom like desks, chairs, doorknobs. And Lysol disinfectant spray can be used to disinfect hard and soft surfaces where germs like to hide. Overall, Lysol kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. I am truly humbled to be named as one of the top teachers in the state of Georgia, and I'm excited about going back to school, getting back in the classroom with my students. Check out Lysol.com for downloadable resources and sign up to receive welcome backpacks through a link on the Instagram for Lysol.